Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are doing good. Previous class, you have learned about how to install Drupal, and today you will learn how we can manage the contents of the Drupal. Now let us discuss one by one. When you install Drupal, you see two interfaces. First one is you get the user section, and another is the admin section. So this is the user section interface, and just going to open the admin section URL. Click here the Drupal admin, and now you are now in the admin section where you can add the contents, delete the contents easily, and you can manage the website, can make the website dynamically very easily. Now just going to delete some contents which I have added earlier. At the top left corner here, you can see the content. So first need to just click on the content link. Thereafter, click on the add content. And here you see the add content options, article and basic page. So article we use such type of content when we need frequently used. Like for example, news, blog post, where you want a feedback. In that case, we use the article. Right? And another one is the basic page. Basic page, that is the static content which we don't need to change frequently. That is the about us page, the example of the basic page. Right? So first of all, I'm just going to create an article. Click on the article. This page here, you see the first column is the title. You can just write down the title of the any meaningful name. Either this one is the editor where you can add the content, where you can add the HTML, and as well as you can also write down the post contents here by yourself, or even you can copy paste the content. I'm just going to add some dummy text which I have generated in the MS Word. Now just copy this text. You can format this text as well as also here. You can just format, or for example, you just want to make it bold, make it first line. I just want to make it bold. You just want to make it italics, right? And you can also use here when you click on the source, you can see here the all. You can also write down the CSS here, right? And this way you can format the contents easily. Even you don't know the HTML, also it works for you. So then what are the use of the HTML, CSS here? You can write down, you can create any design, and you can manage by using this editor here. At the end of, if you are going to add any CSS, then in that case, you just need to write down, select the full text HTML. Only then the HTML and CSS will support here. Next, here you can see the tags, the tags which easily help the user to, this is for the SEO purpose, tags we must write down, this tag is related to the, for example, I'm going to add some title IPL, then cricket, then the match between Mumbai Indians and CSK. So we can write down here the multiple tags separated with a comma. Okay. And even you want to add image, you can just place the image. Here you can see the image icon here. And just click on the icon. Click here on the icon. Choose file image. Click on this and enter the right here the alternative text. This is also very important for the SEO point of view. When you add image and sometimes it failed to load, then alt tag is visible in that particular case. So you can just write down the IPL photo so that it. Okay, you can also manage, you can align the text, align the image left, right, center, or none. So just going to write down the center align. Caption, if you want to select, you can add the caption to the image. Both are different things. Alternative text, alt, and a caption. Both are different. So you will see here, I'm just going to, once I save this, you can find out image added quickly, and you can just keep the caption of that particular. So IPL, you can write down any caption IPL 2020. Right? Very simply, you can see the view also here. How will it appear on this when you publish? And now you just click on the menu settings. This is the, if you want to create a link in the header section, then you can just place this one. Otherwise, you can leave this. Comment setting is for default, it is open. If you don't want the comments, you can close. Right? So open now. Any user, that user can users can post comments. Here the URL. We can create the URL of that particular article. If you don't want, you can just leave it. Or you can, this is the author, formation and promotion optional. So just going to, without any other features, first of all, just basic features, I'm just going to add this post, publish this post, click on the save button. And you see there is a simply, it takes only few minutes to create an article. Even you can see the comments here, right? User can write his, her comments and save. So you can see here the URL, that is the Drupal node file. Because I have not added the URL, so we can say this is not a user-friendly URL, right? One cannot remember, one cannot understand with the help of the number. Now going to edit this post. And I'm just going to create, once you see there, it is Hardly you don't find out. I'm just going to create a link for this uh, article. Here you see only the home menu is there, and the user once click on that particular menu, it will visible in the header section. So now just going to create, click on the edit. Once you click on the edit, that way you will see there is a menu setting. Yes, provide a menu link. Yes, I want a link. What is the title? IPL. Description. This is you can write down or you can leave it. It's not compulsory. Parents link. At the main navigation, I just want to write. Have done here the uh, this is the main navigations. Weight, that is the sequence order where you want to place. That is a 0, 1, 4, and 1. Comment setting. This is the open by default. Right. If you don't want, you can close. If you don't want, then you can close. URL alias the URL, and if I just want to add the URL, simply press the forward button, forward slash, and then we can write down the URL. That is I, that's IPL is the URL. So it will visible your site name and forward slash URL. This, and click on the save button. And when you add, okay, now just going to refresh. You will find out the menu link here. Yes, now I have added. You can see the separate link of the article which I have created. And once you click, you will see the user-friendly URL. No? And image which I have added, manage, first line which I have made bold, italics, all these you can do it quickly. So I hope it's very simple, and this way we will create the more pages, more features we will add. I hope it is clear the point which I explained, and thanks for watching the video.